For dry measurements, we can safely load our sample into the Aero S, which has a lid to protect users from any dust that might be produced during the measurement. We can then proceed to set up our measurement, using either a manually controlled measurement or a more automated SOP. Here we are using a manual measurement, which allows us to define our measurement settings before initialization by proceeding through the settings manager. Once all done, the measurement process can be initiated, first proceeding with automatic alignment and background measurements. The feed can then be started, and the measurements begin once the obscuration arrives in the defined range. At the same time, we can see the live scattering data and the particle size result of our metal powder. Metal powders are generally quite free-flowing, so an optimal feed, when the obscuration stays in range, is rather quick to achieve. The feed rate can be adjusted while here in manual mode, if more control is needed though. Metal powders also don't tend to aggregate too robustly in dry conditions, so a low pressure, in this case 1 bar, can be used to obtain a complete dispersion. It is a good idea, however, to carry out a pressure titration to establish this. Once the powder is depleted or the final measurement in the sequence is performed, the active measurement will finish. Results from individual measurements will be visible side by side each other on the trend graph at the bottom, which shows the sizes of the DV10, DV50 and DV90 percentiles. Finally, the cleaning sequence can be initiated, and following that, the measurement window can be closed and the results reviewed. Size results can be viewed in different reports, including as overlays and trend graphs, both of which show the variance of the measurements by the relative standard deviation percentage values. The analysis report is also available, which provides further details.